Today is day one of passing my Prop Firm account. So I'm going to try everything possible to pass my Prop Firm challenge in 1 month. So in a bit of drawdown, I think 2% drawdown. I'm going to be looking for setups this week, and I'm going to be documenting all my setups. Today is Monday. I'll probably be releasing a video today, to show you guys my setups, on the chart. But let's see how this week's go. If this is your first time on my channel, do hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm going to be really dropping new content for you guys. Very, very good content here. I'll see you guys in chat. Okay, as you can see, the direction of gold is currently bullish right now. If you check on the higher time frame, let's go to the 4 hours. Market has been bullish for a while. It has been buying. As you can see, gold has been creating new all-time highs. So you can see gold has been buying a lot. It has been going to the moon. It has been mooning. So I came down to my lower time frame, my 15 minutes time frame, to look for some liquidity. All this thing right here is my liquidity. So it took all this liquidity. After taking this liquidity, I drew my engulfing level. This level is not called an order block. No, it's not an order block. I call it an engulfing level. It has both um, you know, ISL and HSL. So after that, I drew my trend line. My trend line might look weird. You might not see this trend line, but it looks really, really weird because there's a way I draw my trade line. I don't trade normal patterns of trading. I trade Malaysian SNR. Is a good concept that I think everyone should try. So um, I'm waiting for the market now to come to this trend line. I drew this trend line from this point. As you can see, my first point of the trend line, then my second point of this trend line, then this is the third point. I wait for the market to come to the third point. Once it touches the third point, I expect the market to fly up. Yeah, it touched this first trend line that I drew, but I have a rule that if I draw two trend lines and both trend line crosses, I have to take the second trend line because of, you know, once is at the once is not at this cross, it usually floats more. It floats a bit. So I hope the market comes to this trend line. So that's my analysis for today. Hoping this analysis will give me, a chunk of help me because I'm currently floating 2% loss now on my Mavis trading account, and I'm trying everything possible to pass the account. So I just hope and I pray that once the market comes down to the second trend line, it goes straight to TP, so I can gain, like, I'm risking $20 on this trade to get $80. That should be like 1% plus extra small thing. It's like 1.6%. Should be settled from this trade. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how the trade goes. Yeah. So guys, the first trade I took an L. It hit my stop loss. You can see right here, hit my stop loss, but um, I got another zone from here. Still the same liquidity point, though it's a little bit far. I got another zone. Looking to take the trade from this trend line right here. I'm hoping to catch 80 pips. Put my stop loss, 20 pips stop loss, 80 pips, 1 is to 4. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. So back again here. As you can see, the trade is almost hitting my TP. And it's supposed to have hit my complete TP, but I had a really, really bad entry right here. So because of the bad entry, I had to shift my TP. If you check my trading view today, as I showed you before, I had a loss. I had one loss. I had another loss. I took another L right here. I had an entry around this region. I lost two. Then this is my third entry right here. My third entry. My third entry right here. Then riding it up 80 pips. As you can see, it has hit full TP, but on prop firm, my prop firm broker moving straight, I had a bad entry. The entry was really, really not good. It was really bad. So I had to increase the TP. So I'm waiting. It's about like 1:3 hour now, just a little bit to get to 1:4. Once you get to 1:4, trade complete. But I've moved my stop loss to 1 hour, so I cannot be in loss in this trade. Instead, I will, if the trade should close, I would close definitely. I will definitely close in profit. So let's check the M30. Let's see what's going on in the M30. The M30 created a resistance But I'm hoping that the market just reach my TP, you know, because we have to get our TP hit so that we can clear off all the backlog of losses. You understand? Understand? So yeah, that is just the trade in a nutshell. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I just closed this trade. I've closed it. This is my trading view. I closed the trade not because of the trade. The trade actually didn't hit my full TP on my prop firm account. As I told you before, the trade hit my TP, but on the prop firm didn't hit full TP. I just had to close it because of this consolidation that is happening here. I believe that the market is reacting. Let me go to my trading view first. I believe that the market is reacting from this roadblock here. This QM, this a QM, I believe that the market is reacting from here. So I closed it just to be on the safer side. I closed it at 1:3. 1:3 is pretty good, but it's just disheartening that my entry wasn't that good. But let's see how it goes. Next time we will try as much as possible not to make the mistake of having a bad or elite entry. You understand? It's all about improving yourself as you go continuously. So yeah, that is how this trade went. I bought, and I'm going to try to get a new entry soon, maybe on gold or on Euro USD. Yeah, cheers. Well, so that is it, guys. Those are the three trades I took today. I lost two and I won one trade today. This is, how many percent I'm on. I'm still on 2% drawdown, trying to get up, trying to get to 0% drawdown. Then I'll increase my lot size and the rest stuff, according to my trading plan. So this is how much I made today. I made about $20. As you are seeing here, this is a picture of my ROI. Yeah. So if this is your first time in my channel, do like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more content and more videos. Yeah. So yesterday was Thursday, guys. I didn't really record yesterday my trade entries. So after the two losses and the one win I had on Monday, on Monday. Sorry, after the two losses and one win I had on Monday, on Tuesday I didn't really have or get any trade, but on Wednesday too, same story. I didn't really get any trade, But it turns out that on Thursday I had this trade. So as usual, market took out this liquidity, then broke structure. Taking this liquidity, broke structure, then it came back, created this liquidity and took this liquidity out. It came to my zone, my my engulfing zone, and after I came to my zone, it took my zone and it went up 80 pips. So I caught this 80 pips yesterday. I took two trades on Euro USD on Wednesday, but the two trades didn't hit my take profit, So I decided that for now I'm going to stick to trading gold because I noticed that when I'm trading two pairs, most of the time, I'm always disoriented and disorganized on the chart. So I rather trade one single pair and be profitable with it, for now. So today is Friday and I was actually looking at a zone here. Wow, it's not like that here. Okay, I was actually looking at a zone around here, somewhere around here, but currently the market is, you know, I mean, looking at this zone, around here for the market to come and market to buy up to this zone and sell from this zone. But currently the market is not actually giving me anything for now. But if I do have a trade today, I am definitely going to be recording it and be showing it to you guys. Yeah, so yeah, that's just it for for today, my today's trade. Yeah. So I noticed that gold has been going, up and up and up and up and up lately. It has been creating new highs, all-time highs and the rest. So many traders they say, once market creates a new all-time high, it's the right time to sell. But that is, sell at the highest point and buy at the lowest point. That's saying. But I noticed that you have to continue buying until the market gives you an opportunity to to sell. So currently, recently, I've been looking for buys on gold. Even if the market stops me out when I'm looking for a buy, I'll look for another zone to buy. So today is Friday and I'm definitely going to be looking for today is Friday and currently my bias for today is sell because the market has given me a 4 hours rejection and a 30 minutes breakout, and I've gotten my bias or my direction for today, pending the market, continues in that direction because the market can change direction at any time. My strategy, the market changes direction, change direction, and we have to follow the direction. So currently, the market is selling. My direction is selling, and I have to look for sell trade. So I found the zone to sell, but as I showed you in my previous clip, I'm waiting for the market. Today is Friday. There is news today around 1:30 my time, Nigerian time. But nevertheless, if the market gets to my zone during the news period, I don't think I'll take that trade. But if the market gets to my zone after the news, I will definitely take the trade. I just hope, you know, the news is not that volatile that it affects the markets, that much. But even if it's very, very volatile, I'll still look for another zone to buy. But if I don't see any other zone to buy, then this week is closed and I'll close this week in profit. Actually, this week has been funny, funny. It has been funny because I got trades on gold on Monday, I think so. I got three trades on gold. I lost two. I won one. Yeah. On Tuesday, I searched. I didn't find any entries on Wednesday. I wasn't focused. On Wednesday, I was trading both gold and Euro USD, and I noticed that anytime I trade both pairs at the same time, I am always distracted by one of the pairs, and I don't analyze the market flawlessly and well like that. That was what happened on Tuesday. That I lost two trades on Euro USD, and on gold there was a good zone where I would have gotten my buy, but because I was very distracted at analyzing Euro USD, I couldn't get that buy on gold on Tuesday. So sorry, on Wednesday. So I just said no, I'm not going to I'm not going to be trading Euro USD anymore. It's just going to be plainly good. Then on Thursday, I had one buy in the morning. As I woke up, it was 7 a.m. It was a very, very sweet buy. And I bought, the market. And on that same day, there were two other entries. But because I already made hit TP now, 1:4, I was out of, loss for the week. I just said, okay, let me just calm down, chill. Chill. And surprisingly, one of those entries, would have ended in a loss and the other would have ended in profit. You understand? But I just calm down. Then today, Friday, as I've said before, we're waiting for the news. And we're waiting for the market to get to my zone. If the market doesn't get to my zone, I rest. If the market gets to my zone during the news period, I rest. But if the market gets to my zone after the news, I'm definitely going to be taking that trade. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned because I'm going to be, recording. I'm going out today, but if as I'm on the road, so I'm going out. If I see the trade, I'm going to be doing a screen record and a little bit of voice over the screen record. Yeah. See you guys. Yeah. It's the next clip.